In today I'm going to show you how to create wave text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. You can see an overlay layer below and another text layer above. We'll go to Effect and search Wave Warp and leave it to the text layer. Then we'll go to Effect Control and decrease the wave height 3 and increase the wave height 305%. Now if we play it, it will look like this. We can increase or decrease its speed as we desire. We'll copy and paste the effect onto all layer. You can see that this effect was put on all layers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.